Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop opening folders in separate windows in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop opening folders in separate window in Windows 10 computer, open File Explorer. Now here I am showing you, if I click on a folder, the folder is opening in new window. Double click on a folder. Look here, two separate window is opened. This is the problem. Now I am going to fix this issue. Go to View tab on upper left corner and then click on Options. Here you will find Browse folders. Open each folders in the same window, and now open each folder in its own window is selected. Just select on the first one. Open each folder in the same window. Now click on Apply and click on OK. Now close this File Explorer, and again now I am going to open a folder, and look, the folder is opened in the same window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.